to Satakosia starting from this Pahado. I had that breakfast in this hotel of Sri Jagannath Chappan Bhog, a pure veg restaurant, and this backpack is now loaded. Now journey will be starting, and we will be moving by this road to directly to Anugul. I am checking in that eco retreat of Anugul. Bye bye. You can see me. Journey starting. Bye bye.
Tasted the sex, used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. Oh no, you're
This is the Kadalur River, and hello, hi, and this is the Mahanadi River, and this is the whole east. This is the Mundali Breeze. You can see this is the Mundali Breeze, and many people have gathered here for the visit to the Mundali. This breeze falls in between this Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and this Satakosia, that is Anugul. You can see this is the breeze. You can see me in the Mundali Breeze. Yes, backside this is the Mahanadi River, and this is the whole thing. This is the reef. It's a water reserve, some sort of to prevent the flood. This has been built up to prevent the flood for the Cuttack. Bye bye. Now coming to this, you can see this is the welcome of this eco retreat Satakosia. Yes, you can see it. We are on the way. This is the way. Are Sida. So you can see this is the eco retreat. Now finally we have reached the place after a long journey of, you can see how beautiful place is. That side that is the Mahanadi, and this is the eco retreat. All the cottages are here. We have reached the place, and this is the security guard. They are guarding this place. You can see this is the place, eco retreat Satakosia, which is heavily guarded. We are slowly entering to the place, the eco retreat. The beautiful eco retreat we can entering. This side, this is the parking side. This is the inside of this eco retreat. You can see the beautiful place, eco retreat Satakosia. There are places to sit. Many different people have come. And this is a Christmas tree. You can see how decorated. As all this place, this is the eco retreat, and we are come here for the checking in. And sometime we'll check in inside the eco retreat Odisha. You can see the beautiful place. In the check-in center, yes, the whole place you can see backside of me. Yes, bye bye.
कस्तो मजा है लैलैमा रम्मैलो काली ओडाली कस्तो मजा है लैलैमा रम्मैलो काली ओडा.
So in lunch they gave us a rice and some sort of palav. This is the Kobe, you can see. This is the paneer. This is the pasta. This is the salad. This is the dal fry, and this is the sweet. This is the dahi vada, and this is the santura. All sort of veg thing they gave us. It's a very good. The taste is also very good, and the service is also very superb. I would be liking the place. Yes. Our lunch is going to end. At the end, I got one roti and one also paneer. Fulgobi I got it. So you can see this is the eco retreat inside of this place. This is for the Christmas they have decorated, because it has been for around 20-25 days. It has been there. this is the dining area where we took the lunch in that Eco Retreat dining area. This is a place where the whole place Satakosia Eco Retreat can be seen. You can see this is the Eco Retreat Satakosia, and this is a place where you have to go top to this place and you have to see the river Mahanadi. These are the cottages. Many people are staying here. You can see this is the place. This side some sort of cottages are there. This side all the AC cottages are this side. I am going to the top of this hill viewpoint. This is the viewpoint of the Satakosia. From the top of this, I can see the cottages. These are the cottages. From 1 to around 30 cottages are there. This is the river Mahanadi with all sorts of mountains. Yes. So this is the cottage number 1. And we will be moving to cottage number. My cottage number is 21. I have to go to 2 and this is 3. So at last I will be reaching my cottage, that is the cottage number 21. All the cottages are beside the Mahanadi river. You can see this is the boats that are ready to pick us to visit to the Mahanadi. This is my cottage, that is room number 23 is my 23. My cottage number is 23. And this is the front of my cottage. Whole Mahanadi, the beautiful scenery of Mahanadi is in front of this cottage. I am going inside the cottage. Yes, the bed is also very nice. The cleanliness is to the peak. This is a portable AC. This is a chair to sit. This is a table where you can study and do the stuffs you need to do. They have given us some sort of water, and this is the tea maker, and this is the tea they have given us. This is a menu book of the Eco Retreat. Let's see the bathroom, how it is. This is a land phone also they have given for some sort of emergency. The place also you can keep the luggages. Let's see how the bathroom is. Yes, this is inside of the bathroom. Yes, it's very clean. You can see Western type toilet, and this is the basin. This is the place. You can see, yes. Moving from the cottage to this our jungle trek by this Metri Gadi. So now we have reached the Mahanadi. The road is kind of tough, I can tell. So this is the sunset that is occurring. This is the Mahanadi viewpoint. This is a boat. So many crocodiles also stay here. They normally are not seen in the evening. In the morning time the crocodiles come. So this is the beauty of the mountains and also the Mahanadi river. Sunset. We'll be going that side for the boating. You can see this is also a boat. In the morning time, the boating will take place tomorrow. So, we were excited, yes. I am excited for tomorrow, for the boating, yes. So this is a telescope. At the night time, they have provided to see the stars. You can see this is the big telescope. I will be seeing the stars.
झूठी है प्यार की कसमें मैंने हर लम्हा जिसे चाहा जिसे पूजा उसी ने यारों मेरा दिल तोड़ा तन्हा तन्हा छोड़ा सच कह रहा है दीवाना दिल दिल किसी से लगा
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्ग
बाबरा मल्लाता के दर से नैना भी मल्हार बनके बरसे पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें रब ने मिलाया तुम्हें तेरे गीले नीले होठों की सरगम पी लूं तेरे गीले गीले होठों की सरगम पी लूं है पीने का मौसम तेरे संग इश्क तारी है तेरे संग इत घुमारी है तेरे संग चैन भी मुझको तेरे संग बेकरारी है इश्क तारी है तेरे संग इत घुमारी है तेरे संग चैन भी मुझको तेरे संग बेकरारी है नारे 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 ना दिल का है क्या राज है जाने क्या कर गए किस अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर गए कर चांद तारों को मशहूर कितना क्यों कम वक्त इनसे ही खूबसूरत है तू आई लव यू